So, what's the very first impression your business really makes? You might be thinking it's the sign out front or maybe the front door, but honestly, the real first impression happens way before any of that. It starts with the ground right under your customer's wheels, that unseen foundation of every single visit.
Every road, every driveway, every parking lot is in this constant, silent battle. You've got freezing winters that create these deep, ugly cracks. Then the blazing summer sun comes along and warps the whole surface. And on top of that, you've got the daily grind of traffic just wearing it all down into potholes. It's this relentless cycle, and for any property owner, it's a massive headache.
So let me ask you this. Think about it. When you go anywhere, a store, an office, even a restaurant, what is the very first thing you physically interact with? Before you even get out of your car, before you touch the doorknob, what's already made contact?
Yep, it's almost always the parking lot. Your tires roll over it, you walk across it. It's the literal gateway to the business. And whether the owner realizes it or not, that surface is already making a really powerful statement.
I love this way of thinking about it. A cracked, faded, messy lot, that sends a message of neglect. But a smooth, clean, well-marked surface, well, that communicates something totally different. It says we're professional, we care about the details, and we respect your experience. It's like an unspoken welcome.
So, the big question is, how does a business make sure its handshake is firm and confident? Well, for property owners in Colorado, the solution really lies with dedicated pros who specialize in turning those worn-out surfaces into welcoming gateways. And that brings us to Asphalt Coatings Company, or ACC for short. They've basically built their entire business around this very idea. They specialize in both paving and concrete, positioning themselves as the go-to experts for creating and maintaining these absolutely crucial first-impression surfaces. In an industry that's all about heavy machinery and results that have to last for years, trust is everything. Property owners have to have a contractor they can really count on to do quality work, on time, and on budget. And that's exactly where ACC wants to be, that trusted local partner.
Okay, so let's break down what they actually do, starting from the ground up, literally. This is where it all begins, creating brand new, super durable surfaces that are designed to withstand whatever the weather throws at them from day one. So, ACC's main focus is on commercial asphalt paving. And we're talking about the big stuff here, those sprawling parking lots for shopping centers, office parks, and industrial complexes. Their expertise covers Denver and the whole wider Colorado area, so they're tackling some of the biggest paving jobs in the state. And let's be clear, this is not a do-it-yourself kind of job, not even close. It takes heavy machinery, a really deep understanding of all the materials, and a seriously skilled crew. ACC is that professional contractor that's equipped to handle all the complexities of any commercial paving project you can think of.
But see, putting in a new lot is just the beginning. The real challenge, the long game, is making it last. And that brings us to the super important world of maintenance, where the focus shifts to preservation and, of course, safety.
AC's approach to maintenance really has two key parts. On one hand, you've got the physical upkeep, sealing cracks, making repairs to preserve the asphalt itself. And on the other, you've got expert striping, which is all about organizing the space for safety and making it as efficient as possible. They're really two sides of the same coin. And for a business owner, this isn't just about looking good. Proper maintenance actually reduces your liability by helping prevent accidents. Clear, compliant striping makes sure the lot is accessible for everyone, and it helps you maximize the number of customers you can fit. At the end of the day, a well-maintained lot means better safety, higher efficiency, and a boost to your property value. It's a no-brainer. So, for any property owners in Colorado who are dealing with this whole cracked system problem, the next step is pretty clear. Let's take a look at exactly how you can connect with these local experts. All right, here's how you can reach them. You can give them a call at 720-526-3240, or just check out their website at asphaltcoatingscompany.com. And hey, if you're in the Aurora area, their physical address is right there too. They make it super simple to get a quote and start that process of improving your property's first handshake. So when you boil it all down, the story here is about a complete solution. Asphalt Coatings Company manages the entire life cycle of a paved surface, from that initial pour all the way through long-term maintenance and striping. It's a true start-to-finish package for any business in Colorado that's looking to perfect that first impression. And that brings us right back to where we started. The next time you pull into a parking lot somewhere, I want you to actually think about that unseen handshake. What kind of greeting are you getting? And For all the business owners watching, what is yours saying about you?